Alright guys, so right here I have this awesome kit from COOFANDY to help keep you cool during the summer, but also have you looking good. Now check this out guys, I'm 5'11", 150 pounds. I ended up getting the size medium in this kit. This is going to be an essential urban kit. It's going to have a little bit of a dress up look, but it's also going to give you that casual look. But most importantly, it's going to be super comfortable because this is made up of 45% rayon material, of 50% polyester, and we have a 5% spandex. So guys, this is really nice. It's super stretchy all the way throughout. 4-way stretch, no problem with that. We got a faux pocket up here, so nothing here. This is meant to be super light, very comfortable, so you can wear this all day. Now guys, you could dress up or down with this, no problem. We got a ton of buttons all the way up and down. So if you want to open this up, if you want to button this to the top, depending on your look that you're going for, no problem. Check out the collar. This definitely makes it look a little bit more dressy, especially with that pocket, but we also get an oversized look because the sleeves come down to the elbows. We're gonna have a nice taper going all the way around, and we get the baggy pants. Baggy dress pants are in right now and they're looking so good. I cannot wait to get more of these. But guys, check this out. We're gonna have a little bit of a cuff on the bottom there, so it's gonna give you that more dress up style look. But as you can see with these tapering over the shoes and just laying over the shoes, it looks really good in my opinion. This looks really nice. I'm very comfortable. I mean, moving around in this, you could wear this all day, whether you're going to a work event, taking something like this on vacation, a cruise. I'd be wearing this out to dinner. You could easily wear this out around the house too. So normally when I'm wearing like dress clothes, if I come home from a long night, I want to just hop in my PJs or just take them off and wear like shorts and a t-shirt. With this, you're going to want to keep it on all night. I'm telling you, you're going to be so comfortable. Now we're going to have an elastic waistband here, and we're going to have drawstrings on the inside. So you do have matching drawstrings. These are going to be hidden, so you can tighten these up, but it's going to be on the inside. Also going to get one pocket in the rear, and that is a pretty deep pocket, so you can definitely put your wallet in there, no problem. And then we're going to get two front pockets that are deep, and you can easily fit a phone, an iPhone, a new Samsung in here without it poking out. But those are going to be the slanted pockets, and we do have this sewn at a little bit of these little creases here, and that's just going to give you that nice look, that nice dress look. But these are amazing guys. They got a ton of different colors to choose from. This is nice, and I love me some nice dressy comfy clothes for the summer. But since it's nice and hot this summer, you want something that's going to keep you cool. This is super breathable, feels amazing, unlike any other fabric I felt on the skin. It almost feels like silk, and as you can see me just going like this, you can kind of see what I'm talking about. Super breathable guys. This is awesome. I highly recommend this. Check it out. I'm gonna have a link down in the description. Check out the other colors they have to offer. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.